Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make your Facebook posts shareable. Just notice that other people cannot share your Facebook posts. It means that you have set post privacy settings so that others couldn't share them. Just follow these steps and you will learn how to make your Facebook posts shareable. Open up Facebook app and log into your profile if you haven't already. Click on What's on your mind field as if creating a new post. As you can see, most often new posts are set to be shared with your friends only. So click on Friends tab and select Public. Now this post will be visible to everyone and everyone will be able to share it. Just proceed by publishing your post. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make your Facebook posts shareable. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.